Hi, and welcome to the Price Action Analyst YouTube channel. Also on Twitter at Price Analyst. This is Vechain, VET. It's been a while since Vechain broke out. I also own Vechain somewhere down here. That wasn't a price analysis purchase. I think Vechain was one of my first ones, and I watched the YouTube video about it, but I got lucky, very lucky with the timing. So it's had a breakout, and I just thought I would do a video on this because this leg up was very strong. So, and the weakness here is coming off this previous high, and because of this strength, I would expect that possibly the retracement is not very deep, and you're seeing that. Left a wick here, probed that wick and strength off of that. A very minor mini retracement there and strength again. So I think there's every chance that Vechain pushes out of here. It could stall between these two highs, but with this strength and the shallow retracement and now pushing up, I expect Vechain to push. So if it does poke through this high and stall again, then I would expect that this area of this wick, like a wash of that, would you'd get strength off of that. Or if we go into the hourly bars, yeah, so this is the wick that I was just looking at on the daily bars. So there's air here. So again, a retracement here and a wash of that pivot would also probe this air here. So there's a couple of reasons you get strength off of that. There's a previous high here and a previous low. So if it does retrace, and again, I think that's the lower probability event, this is kind of where you're going to expect price to go. So it's at 103, you know, 8-ish would be the low there, potentially. But I don't think price is going to do that. I think we're looking at the beginning of the continuation here. I think this is going to be a shallow retracement. And if you were looking at it that way, you could say that this is also a breakout, and you could say the breakout's already started. It just normally, to frame it up like this, you want sort of a bit of more of a prolonged retrace, but it's possible that now this is the second leg up here. So if price does push through this prior high, so what does push through mean? You know, you see a close here on its high, and you see price start to move away and excuse me, close on its high. So price moving up here, not leaving any substantial wicks, is kind of pushing past. Then if it does that, this is the next area of resistance or selling pressure, and that's 157. So that's 50. If you get it now, that's roughly 50% increase. Again, I bought Vechain because it was Vechain's. They're including supply chain information in the blockchain, and they're being trialed by Walmart in China. I looked at that, you know, months ago. They might be doing more stuff, but Vechain and Chainlink are, from my limited knowledge, doing similar things, and that story makes sense to me because, you know, the added utility, you know, Bitcoin and other cryptos that are just digital cash. This is serves a digital cash purpose, but it's also got additional utility in terms of, like, when you're purchasing items, it'll show up information about the item, you know, where it's from, how long it's been traveling, whether it's authentic, all that sort of stuff. So there's additional utility here, and the price is going up. People are buying it. The price is going up. So that's what I'm looking for primarily in terms of price action analysis. And again, this is in relation to Bitcoin. So everything looks good there. Expect a push up into the 157 level, and then when it gets there, we'll see what the price action looks like. In the meantime, I'll keep you updated. If if it gets to any of these levels and starts leaving big wicks, I'll probably do another video just to say, hey, expect some weakness here. Otherwise, I'll just watch it as it pushes up. But that is Vechain, VET. Thanks for watching. Please like the video. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and please like me on Twitter @PriceAnalyst. And thank you very much for watching.